solving an. So an is 1 upon L minus L to L f of x into cos of n pi x by L dx. So again, after substituting here, I can write 1.2 minus 2 to 2 f of x cos of n pi x divided by L value is nothing but 2 dx. So my function gets splitted. I write 1 by 2 and then I write 1 by 2 then f of x for minus 2 to 0 is 2 cos of n pi x divided by 2 dx plus from 0 to 2 my f of x is x cos of n pi x divided by 2 dx. So that's my function. Now after integrating this, I get an as the first term will be 1 by 2 outside, and then as you can see 2 integration of cos is sine, so sine n pi x by 2, that comes 2 sine n pi x by 2 whole divided by n pi by 2. So that's my first integration, which has the limits of minus 2 to 0, plus the second I can write as u into v, that is x into integration of cos, again write as sine n pi x divided by 2 whole divided by n pi by 2, and then minus 1, and again you can write as minus of cos n pi x by 2 whole divided by n square pi square divided by 4, so which has the limits of 0 to 2. So after substituting limits here, I get, when you substitute 0 here, imagine when you put 0, sin 0 is 0, when you put minus 2, 2 to cancel, sin n pi is 0. So I can write an 1 by 2, your first term whole will be 0, and second time when you substitute, write plus, in the second time when you substitute 2 here, so that comes sin n pi, which is nothing but 0, minus and minus is plus 4 divided by n square pi square, and when you substitute 2 here, that becomes 2 and 2 cancels out, so cos n pi minus 1 raised to n. So I get as, this is my first limit. Now putting second limit 0, the first term becomes 0, minus and minus plus, and then I can write 4 upon n square pi square, and cos 0 gives me what? 1. So that's my substitution of limit, where I can write value of an to be final 1 by 2, first is 0, then here it comes, I can write 4 divided by n square pi square as constant, and I can take common, I can get minus 1 raised to n minus 1, so which I get final to be 2 upon n square pi square minus 1 raised to n minus 1. So that's my value of an.